Hello, my name is Mrs. George. Manda kwet ojinishnab emkaz. Jiginishi kwet onsan jaunankado kwet oshayan. I am the daughter of the Chickadee Lady and the grandchild of Southern Cloud Woman. In English, I'd like to express this idea that the things that we do, the things we say, the way that we walk, and the way that we play influences other people. At Lansdowne School, we are promoting positive influence happening.
Indigenous. This is Dallas Sinopol, also known for teaching Bogdawaywin, also known as lacrosse. He is an Indigenous educator. This is a positive influence happening.
Ani Dallas Disnakas.
Ani Virginia Disnakas. This is Gretchen Sands. She is famous for storytelling and she is an Indigenous educator. This is positive influence happening.
Ani Gretchen Disnakas.
Bezek Nis Sweat Ahel.
Ani Bujo Megazin Imkin Indigenous. This is Gordon. He is famous for hand drum teachings. He is Indigenous and this is a positive influence happening.
Ani, I'm Ashley and this is Noden. He's famous for power dancing and he's Indigenous and this is positive influence happening.
Positive influence happening. At Lansdowne School in the Ojibwe Language Program, we are in search of experiences that change the story for Indigenous learners in education. We understand many others have worked hard and built the foundation we work upon. We appreciate the example and influence these individuals have left for us and to follow and continue. We are promoting and celebrating positive influence happening. We can see the contributions of Indigenous individuals and allies in education, action, and activities. We can identify with real-life connections relevant to local Indigenous heroes and history. We can benefit from examples of the teachings and accomplishments shared or displayed. Thank you. Keep the positive influence the ongoing flow. Miigwech.